Hi, my name is Scott Ryerson with MarineMax here in Greenville, South Carolina. I'm going to do a video walkthrough on this new 2024 NXT22. A lot of exciting stuff to talk about on the 2024 NXTs. We'll start up here in the bow. So we did the cloud gray interior. Very spacious for, 22-foot boat. Easily sit 3 people up here very comfortably. We did the decadence flooring in this boat. But let's go over to the helm here. So new, we have the new touchscreen. So everything's integrated in touchscreen. The stereo, all your surf systems, everything's in there. You have 3 surf settings, super easy, right, left, 3 pre-surf settings. Then you have all push buttons, none of the toggles here. Really clean, futuristic, modern looking dash. So super excited about that. Phone charger, new also, advanced audio. So you got the Clish speakers with the subwoofer. Also what that's going to entail, it's going to come with bigger tower speakers, the M8. So instead of the 7s, you have an 8.0 Clish speaker up here with this awesome black housing. Looks super cool and clean. And then of course you got the phone holders, the rear flip seat on this boat, folding wake surf racks on the Z6 tower. Awesome boat. Also this boat, 3,000 pounds of ballast on the NXT22. Huge surf wave now. This boat, it rocks. So fantastic. The 6-liter motor, 380 horsepower. Fantastic boat. Come on out and check out this boat. The NXT's awesome boats. Do it all. We'll have it at our store here in MarineMax Greenville. We'll have it online at MarineMaxGreenville.com, or you could give us a call and ask about it at 864-236-9005. So come on and check. We got a lot of Mastercrafts actually in stock. Pretty excited about these new NXTs, the 2024s. Thank you.